Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum students. I am Hira Noreen, your computer science teacher. Today is our fourth lecture of week 1 from the unit 1 programming techniques. First we recap our previous lecture in which we discussed the planning the solution of the problem. Like in planning the solution of the problem, we discussed it is the creative stage of the problem solving, and we divide the solution into the different steps and arrange them into a proper order for solving the problem, etc. Here we start our lecture. Our topic is candid solution of the problem. Candid solution of the problem basically list of all the possible solution of the problem that produce the correct result are known as candid solution. Like if you have a problem and there are different solutions to solve a single problem, it's called the candid solution. For example, consider a problem number 1 in which we discuss the person is unhappy with the product or service that he or she purchased from a company. The possible solution of this problem are listed below. The first one is the customer can file the complaint personally visiting the company. Like if you are unhappy with the product, you complain personally. You can complain. You can file your complaint by personally visiting the company. The second is you use the courier services to send the product back. Like if you are unsatisfied or unhappy with the product, you will return your product by using courier services. And the third solution is customer use the company's websites to file the complaint. Like at home, you only visit your company websites and file your complaint. These are all the solution of the problem number 1. And the next is select the best solution of the problem. After finding the candid solution of the problem, like we list all possible solution of the problem, then only one solution can be selected, and the selected solution must be best solution to solve the problem. The selection of the best solution based on the following criteria. First is speed, cost, and complexities. In a speed, we check that the selected solution of the problem should be efficient to solve the problem. And cost, the selected solution must be cost effective to solve the problem or your issues. Complexities, the selected solution of the problem should not be complicated to implement the solution of the problem. It must be simple to implement the solution of the problem. So here is our lecture in which we discuss the candid solution of the problem and select best possible solution of a problem. Assignment of your today's lecture is define the candid solution of a problem. Students, if you have any question or problem with the lecture, you can ask from me. Allah Hafiz.